In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and share a Canva template link so you can sell it as a digital product online. You can sell these templates on Etsy or even on your own website. And if you don't have a website yet, I'll show you how to easily get started using Hostinger. Hi friends, welcome to Ruth Finance, where I share simple ways to make money online, build passive income, and achieve financial freedom. And if that sounds good to you, please subscribe so that you don't miss out. Now let's dive into these simple 5 steps. Step 1, create your Canva template design. The first step is to create a design in Canva. For example, let's say we want to make a real estate template. Go to Canva, select templates, search for real estate template, and choose a design you like. Make some edits, add your own branding, colors, or text until it looks polished. Once your design is ready, go to the share button in the top right corner, click menu and select template link. Canva will generate a special link that lets buyers get their own editable copy without touching your original copy. And you will need Canva Pro to use this feature. Step 2, package your product template. Now that you have the template link, you need to package it as a digital product since most platforms don't allow you to sell direct links, and the solution is simple. Create a PDF file in Canva that includes a click here to customize button or text. Paste your template link into that button, then save the PDF. This PDF becomes the file your customers download when they buy your product, and you can sell the Canva template either on your own website or on platforms like Etsy. So step 3, sell the Canva template on your own website. While platforms like Etsy are great, the transaction fees can add up, especially if you're making multiple sales every day. That's why many successful sellers also create their own website to sell Canva templates directly. This means you create your own website, and the best option is to use Hostinger, which has an AI website builder that can set up your store in just a few minutes. It's a beginner-friendly, customizable, and comes with 0% transaction fees, which means you keep all the profits. And here's how to get started with Hostinger. Click the Hostinger link in the description, sign up and choose a plan that suits you. I recommend going with the business plan because it includes powerful features like building a full e-commerce site with AI, which is perfect for Canva templates and digital products. And here's the best part. With the link in the description, you'll have an exclusive 20% discount on any plan you choose. Think about websites like Creative Market. They are successful because they sell multiple templates and digital assets directly from their own website. And with Hostinger, you can do the same on a smaller scale. Your own website, your own products, and your own customers. Within minutes, you'll have a professional online store where you can upload your templates, take payments directly, and keep control of your own brand without worrying about high Etsy fees. So let's do a step-by-step walkthrough of how to create a Canva template page with Hostinger. And to start things off, you'll need an account. If you don't already have one, click the link in the description and you grab your Hostinger plan with a 20% discount. And once you land on the page, you will see 2 main options, the premium and the business. Both are very affordable compared to other hosting providers, and each comes with a free domain for 1 year, plus the ability to build multiple websites. I recommend the business plan since it includes all the AI features. Once you've chosen the plan that suits you, head into your dashboard and select the AI website builder. Just describe what you want your website to be. Next, create a new page for your template. Name it something like My Canva Templates. Upload an image on your Canva template. This could be a screenshot or a preview saved from Canva. Once the image is on the page, click on it and add a hyperlink. Copy your Canva template link from Canva. Click Share, Template Link, Copy Link, and paste it into the image. Now, when your customers click on the image, it will take them directly to the Canva template where they can start editing their own copy. Finally, hit Publish and your Canva template page is live. Your customers will now be able to see your designs, click on them, and start using your templates instantly. That's how easy it is to set up a Canva template website with Hostinger. And don't forget to click the first link in the description to grab your Hostinger plan with a 20% discount and start building your site today. So step number 4, sell the Canva templates on Etsy. Upload your PDF to Etsy as a digital download. So create a product listing with an eye-catching cover image, a clear title, and a description that tells buyers what they're getting. Price your template anywhere between $5 and $15 depending on its value. Etsy already has millions of active shoppers looking for templates, planners, and digital tools. Once your product is live, it can sell over and over again without you needing to remake anything. But remember, Etsy has transaction costs that you'll have to cover for every sale. So step number 5, grow your skill. Once you've uploaded your first template, you don't stop there. Keep creating more. And the real secret is to expand into different niches. For example, you can design fitness and health planners, real estate templates, resume designs, and websites like Creative Market already sell thousands of Canva templates in different niches, which proves there is strong demand. If buyers are purchasing from this platform, they can absolutely purchase from your platform as well, whether on Etsy or on your own website. Finally, use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your templates and drive traffic to your website to create passive income consistently. How amazing is that? So, there you have it. 5 simple steps to create Canva templates and start selling them online, either on Etsy or on your own website with Hostinger. Don't forget, the Hostinger link is in the description. Use it to start building your own website and keep more of your profits. Thank you so much for watching Ruth Finance, and until next time, keep creating, keep believing, and keep building a life of financial freedom.